Okay, so welcome back guys. Hari ni kita buat bab kebarangkalian. Okay, we will do probability chapter today. So before I start the class, I want to ask a few basic questions. First, saya nak tanya soalan asas tentang bab kebarangkalian dulu. I'll ask a few basic questions on probability first. So about probability, if I say the probability of an event occurring is 0, kalau saya katakan kebarangkalian suatu peristiwa itu berlaku kosong, adakah peristiwa itu berlaku atau tidak? Does the event happen or not? Can you answer me? If the probability is 0, kalau kebarangkalian dia kosong, berlaku atau tidak? Yes, does not occur. Tidak, very good. Okay. If the probability is 1, kalau kebarangkalian dia 1, berlaku atau tidak? Does it happen or not? Yes, occurs, very good. Okay, so how about greater than 1? Adakah kebarangkalian ni wujud tak? Is there a probability greater than 1? No, very good. Tak ada apa-apa kebarangkalian yang lebih daripada 1, tak wujud di dunia ini. Because probability of 1, kebarangkalian 1 tu dah maksud 100% dah. Kebarangkalian boleh ditukar kepada bentuk peratus. Probability and percentage is related to each other. Maksudnya kalau probability dia 1, kebarangkalian 1, maksudnya percentage. Peratus dia adalah 100%, 100% chance of occurring. Okay? So that is the relationship. Hubungan antara peratus dan kebarangkalian. Okay, so other things. Anyone here take admaths? Boleh bagi tahu tak? Siapa-siapa ambil admaths kat sini? Sebab soalan yang saya nak tanya ni related kepada admaths. Me, okay. Others yang lain? Mana-mana? Anyone else take admaths here? Okay, ada lah. Okay, so sebab saya boleh tanya soalan ni. Okay, so dalam kebarangkalian, kamu belajar, kalau kamu tingkatan 5, if you are in Form 5 now, you will learn a chapter called probability, kebarangkalian. Dalam bab kebarangkalian ni ada 2 cabang, binomial distribution dengan normal distribution. Taburan binomial dan dengan taburan normal. Jadi kebarangkalian yang kita belajar ni sekarang dalam matematik, the probability we are learning in maths now, is it binomial distribution atau normal distribution? Adakah apa yang kita belajar binomial atau normal? Cuba komen kalau kamu faham. If you understand, is it binomial or normal? Okay, Khairun say binomial. Lagi? Is it binomial or normal? Cuba aja, jangan risau. Oh, you never learned that chapter yet. It's alright. Okay, I rasa Khairun je belajar bab tu. Okay, ya, correct. Jawapan adalah binomial. Okay. So, in this one, yang kita belajar dalam mathematics sekarang ni sebenarnya taburan binomial. Is binomial distribution. But in a manual way. Sekarang kita guna kaedah manual. Admaths, kamu akan guna kaedah formula. Okay, so now we go to the chapter. Okay. So, let me show my this thing first. Okay, can see the screen guys? Boleh nampak screen saya? Okay. So probability, you see the picture I put here. Dari gambar ini pun saya boleh tanya soalan. From this picture I can ask you a question also. You can see a dice over here. Okay, kalau dadu ni ada 6 sisi macam ni, kita panggil dia dadu apa? There is a type of dice which has 6 faces. What do we call this kind of dice? There is one term. Satu perkataan. There are 6 sides with 6 numbers. 6 permukaan dengan 6 nombor. Kita panggil dadu apa? Yang ni. What type of dice is this? Anyone got clue? Kalau tak tahu boleh cakap tak tahu pun. Dadu kejayaan. Khairun, saya tak pasti, tapi yang in English is called fair dice, guys. Have you heard of this? I rasa dalam BM dia panggil dadu adil. Do you remember this, guys? Have you seen this before? Fair dice. Dadu genap. Ya, betul. I rasa dadu genap. Fair lah. Fair means even. Genap lah. Ya, betul. Dadu genap. Ya. Dalam BM adalah dadu genap. Okay, semua pernah jumpa tak yang ni? I rasa kamu pernah jumpa. Okay, so this is what we call a fair dice. Okay, so fair dice, kalau saya tanya, apa kebarangkalian mendapat nombor 2 dalam satu dadu genap? Can you all tell me, what is the probability of obtaining number 2 in a fair dice? Apa jawapan dia? Yes, very good Syamnat, very easy, 1/6 only. Sebab satu permukaan bahagi dengan 6 permukaan. One side divided by total 6 side. So this is your probability. But now, if I make it more complicated, kalau saya jadikan dia lebih susah sekarang. Okay, wait not thick enough. Okay, kalau saya sekarang nak baling 2 dadu secara serentak, guys, I want to throw 2 dices simultaneously. So what is the probability of me obtaining number 2 now? Can anyone tell me? Apa kebarangkalian baru sekarang? If I throw 2 dices simultaneously, what is the chances of getting number 2? Serentak, simultaneously, 2 dices at one go. Apa kebarangkalian dia sekarang untuk mendapat nombor 2 ni? What is the probability of getting number 2? 2/12. Others? I know how you get, wait, 2/12 1/12. Lain sama? 2/6. Sama? Wah, banyak jawapan hari ni. 3 orang pun 3 jawapan berbeza. 2/12. Okay, 2/12, 2/12. Okay, so sebenarnya kamu kena darab dengan 1/6 lagi. Jadi jawapan dia 1/12. Okay, Syamnat got the correct answer. Kamu tak perlu darab 2 atau apa-apa, guys. You know itu times 2. It is 2 separate events. I mean, bukan separate event. Dua event peristiwa yang berjalan secara serentak. 2 events occurring simultaneously. Okay, so you need to times. Kalau peristiwa itu berlaku secara serentak, kamu kena guna hubungan darab, guys. You need to use times relation. Okay, hubungan darab. Sebab berlaku secara serentak. You cannot plus, Kamu tak boleh tambah kebarangkalian dia. Okay, so you must use times actually. So 1/6 times 1/6. So your answer will be 1/36 jawapan dia. Not 1/12, Tadi pun saya silap. 1/36 jawapan dia. Okay. So boleh faham yang ni tak, guys? Can you understand this? Kamu cuba fikir secara logik sekarang. Kamu baling 2 dadu. You try to think logically now. You're throwing 2 dice and you want to obtain a number 2 on both of the dice. Kamu nak dapat nombor ni secara 2 kali serentak dalam 2 dadu yang berbeza. Senang tak yang nak buat yang tu, guys? I want to ask you, is it easy to do that? Is there a high chance of getting 2 numbers same on 2 separate dice? Adakah ni senang atau tak? Cuba jawab kat saya. Is it easy to do that or difficult? Not easy, okay? Ini sebab kebarangkalian dia agak rendah. Kalau tak senang, maksudnya the probability is lower. Kalau senang, the probability is higher. Macam tu. Okay, so that is why you can see the probability is a very 0.00 value like that. So that's why it's 1/36. Okay? Jawapan kamu macam apa nak kata 2/6. 2/6 tu sangat tinggi berlaku walaupun nilai dia 0.33 je. Berbanding nilai ni yang tu sangat ada kebarangkalian yang lebih tinggi. There is a higher chance like 2/6. 2/12 pun lebih tinggi berbanding yang ni sebenarnya. Okay? So until here everyone understand? Sampai sini semua faham? Okay, good. So we go next page. Okay, so before kita pergi ke latihan, kita go through sikit lah tentang bab ni. We go through a bit of the terms in these chapters first. Okay, so first one, dependent events, peristiwa yang saling bergantung. Saling bergantung antara satu sama lain. Okay, kamu kena faham yang ni, term yang ni. Maksudnya, satu peristiwa tu akan memberi kesan kepada kebarangkalian satu peristiwa yang lain. The probability of one event occurring will affect the probability of another event occurring. This is what mean by dependent. Dependent, you are dependent on someone. Kamu bergantung kepada seseorang. Itu maksud dependent events. Okay? They are dependent on each other. Okay, so ini adalah pasal dependent. So anyone boleh bagi saya example tak? Apa contoh yang kamu boleh bagi kat saya tentang dependent events, peristiwa yang saling bergantung ni? Apa contoh yang kamu boleh fikirkan? Can you think of any example? Yang ni sebenarnya soalan takkan tanya. The question won't ask you what is dependent events. I just want to see whether you understand this term or not. Saya nak tahu kamu faham tak ungkapan ni je. Anyone? Masih type ke? Tak perlu type panjang-panjang, okay? Just short answer. Jawapan ringkas je. Bagi contoh ringkas. Yes, Khairun nak jawab ke? Cuba je, cuba. Just try. Cuba terangkan apa yang kamu tahu. Try to explain what you know. Contoh peristiwa yang saling bergantung. Example of dependent event. Saya nak contoh sekarang. Apa-apa contoh pun boleh. Drawing 3 different cards without replacement. Let me think, saya kena fikir juga. Without replacement. Dependent. Without replacement. Without replacement. Khairun, apa ni? Hello. Wait, let me think also this one. Without replacement. Improbability. Without. Yeah, correct. Without replacement. Yeah, betul. Okay. Without replacement is correct. Okay. Whenever soalan kata tanpa penggantian, dependent events are those which depend. Yes, correct, Afros. Ini adalah salah satu penjelasan yang jelas. This is a clear explanation as well. So guys, you can refer to what Afros said also. Dependent events are those which depend upon what happened before. Okay. So good explanation. Okay, so this is a keyword. Salah satu keyword bila kata dependent events. Okay, without replacement. Okay, maksudnya tanpa penggantian. Without replacement, guys, saya nak tanya. If you don't replace, maksudnya total kamu akan berkurang atau bertambah, guys? Will your total decrease or increase kalau without replacement? Yes, betul, berkurang. Okay. Maksudnya satu probability akan berbeza dengan probability yang berlainan. Kalau with replacement, adakah jumlah kamu berkurang, guys? If I say with replacement, dengan penggantian, total kamu berkurang atau tak? Yes, no. Okay, so ini adalah beza antara dependent dengan independent. Maksudnya yang ni akan dependent. Without replacement is dependent. With replacement is independent. Okay, so boleh faham, guys? Can you understand this? Sampai sini I harap okay lah, this one. So, for another term also, Khairun, mic kamu tak tutup. Wait, Okay. So, next one. Okay, so this one, you can see over here, mereka juga bagi salah satu contoh kat kamu. They give you an example over here. If the first consonant card chosen is returned to box P, the second card is chosen, and then the return of first card result is the probability of selecting the second consonant card being the same as the probability of selecting the first consonant card. So probability of second consonant card not affected, guys. Tak memberi kesan. The probability of selecting the first consonant card. So that is why this is independent event. Tak bergantung antara satu sama lain. Not affected. Okay. So this is the difference between dependent and independent event. Okay. Ini adalah perbezaan antara peristiwa yang tak bergantung dengan yang bergantung. Okay, so this is one part. Another part, kamu kena faham yang ni. Multiplication rule. Okay guys, N, saya nak tanya, kalau nampak perkataan N, dan, if you see the word dan, adakah simbol dia macam ni atau macam ni? Is it A or B? Kalau nampak perkataan dan. Very good, B. Okay, kalau A, perkataan dia apa guys? If the answer is A, is it, what's the word? Yes, correct. Atau or. Okay, very good. So ingat yang ni. Soalan selalu akan guna yang ni. So kamu kena tahu simbol yang mana kena guna. You need to know which symbol to use. The union sign or the intercept sign. Kesatuan atau salah satu lagi saya dah lupa. Intercept dalam BM apa guys? Can you tell me? Saya dah lupa yang ni. Kesatuan dan intercept, persilangan ke? Saya pun dah lupa yang ni. Namailah. This one I won't use. So, ini adalah multiplication rule, petua pendaraban. Okay. P, probability of A times the probability of B. Ya, persilangan. Okay, correct. So, basically yang ni, petua pendaraban ni, kamu boleh imagine macam ni. Okay, you see over here. Two independent events guys. Sekarang kita cakap pasal peristiwa yang tak bergantung antara satu sama lain. Independent events. So, kamu akan mendarab kebarangkalian mereka. You will times the probability if it's an independent event. Okay, usually probability kita akan darab je. Kamu nampak macam yang ni darab dengan yang ni. This is a common way of doing probability. Kamu selalu akan darab kat tengah-tengah. Usually lah. Kebiasaannya kamu akan darab kat tengah-tengah untuk kebarangkalian ni. Tapi kalau kamu consider, if you consider different probabilities, kamu akan tambah kat tengah-tengah. This is how we do probability. If you take different situations or conditions, keadaan yang berbeza, kamu akan tambah kebarangkalian kat tengah-tengah. Tapi dalam satu situasi saja, in one situation, you will always times probability macam ni. Saya beri nombor random sajalah. So, kamu akan selalu darab kat tengah-tengah. Antara dua situasi, kamu akan tambah. Two situations, you plus. But inside one situation, kamu selalu darab. Okay, can you understand this guys? Boleh faham fakta ni? This is the fact. Selalu bila kita tengok satu situasi je, selalu darab kedua-dua kebarangkalian tu. But if you're comparing with different situation, kamu kena tambah kat tengah-tengah. Okay, so this is how we do it. So, let me erase first. Tak perlu. Kita pergi next slide first. So, next one. Okay, so satu lagi term. Mutually exclusive dengan non-mutually exclusive. Ada banyak term kat sini kamu kena tahu. Mutually exclusive. Okay. So, saya nak tanya sekarang. A atau B menggambarkan mutually exclusive. Boleh tak kamu jawab? Does mutually exclusive represented by A or B? Yes, very good of course, A. Okay, macam mana nak ingat jawapan dia A? Exclusive. Look at the word exclusive. Exclusive maksudnya takkan ada hubungan antara dua-dua ni. There is no connection between the two sets. That's why we call it exclusive. Okay, dalam BM pun exclusive kan? So, tak ada hubungan antara dua-dua set ni. Okay, so tengok kat sini. Yang ni ada hubungan kat sini. Jadi tak boleh mutually exclusive. Yang ni salah. Okay, tapi non-mutually exclusive, jawapan dia yang ni. If non-mutually exclusive, the answer is B. Okay guys, yang ni, if you familiar, kalau saya bagi ni A, set ni B, macam mana kamu nak cari kebarangkalian yang ni? Can you give an idea guys? Macam mana saya nak tahu kebarangkalian yang ni? How do I find this probability kat tengah-tengah tu? You learn this in your set chapter. Kamu belajar ni dalam bab operasi set. Kebarangkalian ni berkait dengan bab tu. How do we find that tengah-tengah one? Cuba type kat saya, what is the equation we will use to find? Apa persamaan dia? PA times PB. Wait. PA times PB. Wait, let me see. I think it's more complex than that. Saya rasa dia lebih complex dari yang tu. I think something you missed out. Wait, PA times PB. Yang lain, others? Any other answer? Kamu tahu, boleh share juga. Ya, correct. PA times PB. A union B. A union B lah yang ni. This one. So it's PA times PB. Okay? Yeah, correct. If you want to find tengah-tengah, kamu akan guna formula ni. If you want to find the middle only lah. But if I ask union, guys, A union B, what is the expression now? What will be the expression now? Kalau A kesatuan B untuk cari yang ni. Apa ungkapan dia sekarang? PA plus PB. Not complete, not complete. Kamu lupa sesuatu. You forgot something over there. Of course, not minus. It's plus. But there's another thing at the end. Another part you guys forgot. Others yang lain? Macam mana ungkapan untuk A union B? Can you all type out? How is the expression for A union B? This is the same concept like how you do your set. Macam mana kamu cari set kat tengah-tengah tu? How do you find the value of the set in the middle? It's the exact formula. Okay, so wait, people. PA prime plus PB prime. PA prime plus, no, bukan. I explain, I just explained Shamnat's answer first. Why is it wrong? Let me explain to you. Let me delete this first. Wait, okay. So if you write your answer, kalau kamu bagi jawapan like how Shamnat did, this is what it means. Let's say this is set A, yang ni set B. Now I want to know probability kat tengah-tengah ni. If you take probability of A, means you consider the whole circle lah guys. Kamu akan ambil kira seluruh probability yang ni. Tambah dengan probability B. Okay, A union B is all of this, correct? A union B macam ni, correct? I'm not denying that it's wrong, okay? But did you consider the middle part, Shamnat? Adakah kamu ambil kira bahagian yang ni? This is an overlap, you know. Overlap, we cannot count extra. Kalau kamu buat PA plus PB only, you are actually overestimating the probability. Kamu dah terlebih jangkakan kebarangkalian dia. So you have to minus this once. Yes, correct. We need to minus this. Probability of A intercept B. This is your answer. Because this already count twice. Why I say twice? Mengapa saya kata dua kali? I can explain to you also. Can you see that this is actually a region of intercept of two circles? Dia adalah persilangan bagi dua bulatan. One bulatan over here and another bulatan over here. You see? One circle from here, another circle from here. Means this region, kawasan ini sebenarnya berkongsi dua kebarangkalian secara serentak. It is considering two probabilities at one go. So that's why you need to minus once so that you can find the A union B. Supaya kamu tak terlebih kira, so that you don't count over the value of probability. Boleh faham guys? Can you understand? Mengapa saya tolak yang ni? Why do I minus this? Can you understand now? We don't want to overestimate, okay? So remember to minus this one. Don't forget this one lah. So last one, before we go to some exercises. So this is what I said, Shamnat, you can see over here. Okay, this is non-mutually exclusive events. Okay, peristiwa yang tak bergantung antara satu sama lain. Okay, this one, if I ask you guys, independent event, do you think independent event is non-mutually exclusive or mutually exclusive? Peristiwa tak bergantung ni dalam A ke atau B? Bahagian mana? B. Sama? Yang lain? First say A. B. Sama? Okay, I think majority say B lah. Okay, B is correct. Yeah. Why I say B? Independent event, guys. You see over here. Independent maksudnya tak bergantung. Tengok kat sini. Adakah kebarangkalian dia bergantung antara satu sama lain? Dia dah pisah dah. Originally it's already separated. Means the probability is not affecting each other. Dia takkan memberi kesan antara satu sama lain. Tapi yang ni, kamu lihat. Ada persilangan kat sini. Maksudnya kebarangkalian dia akan memberi kesan antara satu sama lain. It will give effect to each other. So dependent event will affect the probability. Jadi dependent is this one, independent is this one. Okay, boleh faham guys until here? Can you understand why dependent is non-mutually, independent is mutually? Kamu lihat berdasarkan gambar aja, kamu boleh faham. Understand through the diagram. Okay. Kalau bulatan dia pisah, maksudnya tak bergantung, independent. If the circles are joined, means it's dependent lah. Means there is intersection. Kalau ada persilangan, maksudnya terus akan jadi dependent already. No need to think. Because the probability akan memberi kesan antara satu sama lain. Okay, so this is the theory parts lah, bahagian teori untuk bab ni. Okay, so until here, I think we can, A is dependent, yes, correct. A is dependent, B is independent. So now, we go through some questions first. Okay, kita kena berlatih sekarang. Okay, so first one, MELAKA trials. So we see the question together. Okay, so sample space guys. Semua tahu tak perkataan ni, ruang sampel. Have you all heard of this? I'm sure you all heard of this before, I hope so. Okay, heard pernah dengar, bagus. Okay. So, ruang sampel basically maksudnya semua kebarangkalian kamu akan senaraikan kat sini. In the sample space, you will tell all the probabilities. That is why it's called sample space. Okay, all the probabilities kamu akan consider kat sini. Okay, so dalam soalan ini, we try to see what is the probability over here. So, we see here, okay, on top here. Who comes to buy tiramisu or fruitylicious cake? Okay, so what is the question wanting now? So they say combination, dia nak gabung sekarang. Now we are combining the probabilities. Combination of cakes and gift. Yang ni gift. This is the gift over here. Semua empat ni is the gift, hadiah dia. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, tapi for cakes, the cakes you have only 2, tiramisu or fruitylicious. Okay, kalau saya tanya, sini ada 2. Mental arithmetic guys. Kalau ada 4 dan 2, total probability akan jadi berapa? You can see and tell the answer directly. How many sets of sample space will you have? Berapakah jumlah ruang sampel yang kamu akan ada? Are you sure 6? Are you sure 4? Yes, 8, betul. Kena darab. Selalu bila lihat macam ni hubungan dia darab, kamu boleh dapat jumlah dia. Sebab this one got 2, right? 2 ni akan pergi 2 kali kat sini, 2 kali kat sini, 2 kali kat sini, and 2 times over here. So 2, 2, 2, 2. Total 8. Quick maths. Okay? So the combinations, bilangan gabungan yang kamu boleh dapat is 8 in total. Yang ni kamu akan belajar lebih mendalam dalam bab. Oh, I already did that chapter. Permutation and combination. Pilih atur dan gabungan. Yang ni kamu akan faham lebih mendalam kalau kamu ambil AdMaths sebenarnya. This is something related to AdMaths a bit. Okay? So, yang tu saya tak mau terangkan kat sini. That one I don't want to explain here yet. Okay, so we go to the question. So, sekarang kamu kena lengkapkan jawapan kosong kat sini. Now you need to complete the empty space over here. Okay, so you see TB Wait ah. Okay. Okay, T is tiramisu guys. Yang F guna untuk fruitylicious yang ni. Itu cara mereka label. Okay, so T go to B, T go to K, T go to C, and T go to P. Okay, next one guys. Yang ni akan jadi apa? Can you all type out for me? Apa jawapan dia for the next set? FB, yes, very good. Kita akan mula consider F. Sebab T dah penuh. T adalah 4 peluang je. There is only 4 opportunities available for T to go to. So next one we need to consider F. So datangnya FB. After that, F akan pergi kepada K. Yes, very good. Okay, FK. And then yang lain mereka dah complete dah. They already fill for you. So ini cara kamu jawab soalan C1. Okay, can understand guys? Semua boleh faham soalan ni? I rasa yang ni senang je untuk faham. This one quite easy. Okay, can good. Okay, so part B. Okay, now kamu kena kira kebarangkalian dia. Now you need to count the probability already. By listing all possible outcomes guys, kamu kena senaraikan. You need to list down all the possible sets for the following events. Kamu kena buat senaraikan bagi setiap situasi yang diberi kat dalam soalan. Okay, so ingat bila kamu buat senaraikan kena guna simbol kurungan macam ni You need to do this kind of bracket symbol when you listing down the probability. Bila kamu senaraikan kebarangkalian dia kena guna kurungan macam ni. Jangan guna kurungan macam ni Yang ni salah. Yang tengah-tengah je kat sini kamu boleh guna kurungan macam ni. You can use the curly bracket only inside this kind of bracket. Okay. And pastikan letak comma selepas setiap bracket tu. You need to put a comma sign or else wrong also. Kalau tak ada comma sini habis je. You don't get the mark. Walaupun jawapan kamu betul. Sebab tanda comma ni kamu tak letak. Okay. So beware of this kind of things. Okay. So next one. Now we go and see the question. So just now kamu dah letak dah sample space, ruang sampel kamu. Jadi jumlah ruang sampel kamu tadi berapa guys? Can you tell me? Apa jumlah kamu tadi? NS dia. What is the value? Jumlah ruang sampel kamu tadi. Yes, very good. 8. Okay. So this is the total basically. In your probability formula, you will take number of your event over the total. This is your value of probability. Ini adalah nilai kebarangkalian kamu. Formula yang kamu akan guna. This is the formula you will use. Okay, so this info we have already. But now we don't know this info. So this is what we must find now. Number of events. Okay, so dari sini. Okay, so N. Guys, N simbol dia apa? If you use N. Apa simbol dia? Is it this one or this one? A or B? Just tell A or B. B, yes, very good. Kena guna simbol yang ni. Okay, and maksudnya tiramisu and stationery. Okay, maksudnya now you need to be careful sebab kena ada dua-dua kat sini. You need to have both. So you need to refer back to your sample space now. Kamu kena lihat balik pada ruang sampel kamu. T and S. Okay. Tiramisu and stationery. Stationery guys. Tolong jangan kata you don't know what is stationery. Kamu kena tahu apa itu alat tulis. Sebab alat tulis tak disenaraikan kat sini. Okay. So pen and calculator is basically your stationery. Ada dua alat tulis je kat sini. Okay. Two stationery. Pen, calculator. Mark and picture not stationery. Don't tell me these two are stationery. Okay. So basically kamu boleh lihat kat sini. You need to have this combination. So basically combination T dengan pen is apa? Pen is P, sorry, P. And T and K. Kamu kena ada dua yang ni. Okay, so kamu boleh lihat kat sini T and K, E and B also over here. Okay, so total berapa jumlah event yang kamu ada sekarang? How many total yang akan memuaskan keadaan kat sini? Berapa jumlah dia? Berapa jumlah yang memuaskan keadaan sekarang? How many total probability satisfy the condition now? What's the total, guys? Berapa jumlah dia sekarang yang memuaskan? You can look directly from the answer I tell you here. How many? What is the number that satisfies the condition? Berapa jumlah dia, guys? How many? This one, on top here, down here. In this formula, what's the number? Number of event. Berapa kat sini? Apa nombor yang saya akan letak kat sini? What is the number I'll put on top here? Yes, correct. 2. I think you all never understand my question. So 2/8. Okay, guys. If I leave my answer 2/8, wrong or correct? Kalau saya tinggal jawapan saya 2/8, betul atau salah? Wrong, very good. Okay, kena bagi dalam bentuk termudah. Always remember guys, simplest form. Although it's probability, walaupun dia bab kebarangkalian kena permudahkan juga. Although it's probability chapter, you need to write 1/4. Okay, so first question done already. So wait, got one more part. Wait. Okay, so second part, now we go to or. Kita main dengan atau pula sekarang. Tengok macam mana. Okay guys, so if I ask you a random question, and atau or, situasi mana akan bagi kebarangkalian yang lebih tinggi? Dan atau. Dan atau. Are you sure? Line, others? Is and or or giving you a higher probability in the end? Sama? Yes, betul. Atau. Correct. Okay, mengapa saya kata atau? You'll find out now. Okay. Wait, Sebab atau kamu akan consider lebih banyak kebarangkalian. The or, you will actually take into account more events actually. You won't only choose like certain events. So you see over here, Fruitylicious cake or not a mark. Kena hati-hati kat sini guys, not a mark. Okay. Fruitylicious cake or not a mark is chosen. Okay. So, kalau kamu nampak kat sini, Fruitylicious cake. Semua yang ni kamu akan consider. As long you see Fruitylicious cake. Kalau kamu nampak simbol F je kena tanda. Kamu kena consider dah. Tak kira apa-apa kat belakang ni. Because it's or now. Sekarang kita main tentang atau. Jadi kalau kamu nampak F je semua ni tanda. Lepas tu mereka kata not what? Saya lupa dah objek apa. Not a mark. Okay, mark is C. Okay, tak mau C. So we don't want C. Maksudnya tinggal 1, 2, 3. So can you tell me guys what is the total probability now kita dapat untuk soalan 2 ni? Berdasarkan bilangan yang saya tanda. Based on the number of ticks I put there. What is our probability now? Yes, very good Kaiwun. 7/8. Okay, just now jawapan kamu 1/4. Okay, so now you can see. This one is N. This one is O. So mana yang lebih tinggi? Definitely O. Sebab yang ni 2/8 je. Yang ni 7/8. Okay. So this is why we say that O has a higher probability compared to N. Okay. So sampai sini boleh faham guys? Macam mana saya consider semua yang ni? You all understand? Okay, good. So I actually do a working for you guys also. You can refer over here. Okay, so this is basically my working. Kalau siapa-siapa nak screenshot, boleh screenshot. Okay, if you want to take picture of it, you can take also. Cause yang ni lebih jelas. Okay, so all taken picture already, can comment if you all done so that we can go to the next question. Cuba comment kalau habis. Okay, good. So we go next one. Wait, okay. Oh, wait. Sorry. Okay, so done, Afros. Okay, so good. Next one. So now we go Johor pula. Johor paper trial punya. Okay, this one. Oh, yang ni soalan bagus. This is a good question actually, guys. Yang ni susah. Okay, this is quite difficult, but you can do it lah, I think. Okay, so this one, a marble is selected at random from the jar. Mereka pilih salah satu guli dari baca yang BM guys. English a bit out read the BM. Daripada balang yang berbeza. Okay, you choose one marble from jar A and one marble from jar B basically. Okay, and they say probability of marbles different color is this one. Okay, so mereka nak pilih sekarang. So kebarangkalian untuk dapat dua biji guli yang berbeza punya warna adalah 13/24. Okay, so can you tell me apa situasi dia sekarang untuk dapat 13/24 ini? Apa tambah apa? What plus what? Apa combination yang boleh berlaku kat sini? What is the possibilities over here? Apa yang kamu akan isi dalam kurungan tu? Now I want words only guys. Tak perlu tukar kepada bentuk kebarangkalian lagi. Now I want the words only. What is your combination now? Red W, yes, very good. Okay, kamu akan pilih red one and then the white one and then white one and red one. Okay, ini adalah cara dia. Okay, so make sure red one you take from A. White one you take from B. Kena berbeza guys. Tak boleh pilih yang ni dengan yang ni daripada barang yang sama. You cannot choose the two different color from the same jar. Because the question already tell you, you must choose it from different jar. Kamu kena pilih dari barang yang berbeza. Okay, then white, red, also same. White you choose from A, red you choose from B. Barang berbeza, different jars. So you see over here saya dah consider semua probability dah. I already considered all the possible kebarangkalian over here. Okay, so basically now is you have to express it only. Kamu kena ungkapkan dia melalui maklumat yang kamu ada dalam jadual. You express the probability based on the information you have in your table. So I think saya guna working saya lah lebih senang nak terangkan. Sebab yang tu lebih jelas. Okay, so you see over here guys. Okay, so this is your question. So you see, red marble you have to take from jar A. And the white marble you need to take from jar B. And then the second probability plus, kat tengah-tengah kena letak simbol tambah. And then you see the second probability, white marble jar A. I reverse. Tadi white marble jar B. Sekarang white marble jar A. Red marble jar B. Okay, kena opposite. Bertentangan antara satu sama lain. Okay, sama dengan 13/24 tu. Okay, so now basically you have to see apa yang info soalan bagi itulah. Sekarang the question want you to find the X value. Mereka nak cari nilai X sekarang. Okay, so wait this one, okay. So just now in the question if you see, kalau kamu boleh nampak soalan saya hantar kat group the PDF, the total number of red marble is X. Jumlah guli yang berwarna merah is X. Over X plus 3. Mengapa saya letak X plus 3 guys? Can you tell me? Why is down here X plus 3? Mengapa saya kena tambah kat situ? Why I need to plus? Anyone got idea why I put the plus sign over there? Mengapa saya letak simbol tambah kat situ? Mengapa saya tak letak X jar macam tu? Why I put plus at the bottom here? Can anyone tell me? Yes, total number. Always remember, bawah penyebut pecahan tu kena letak jumlah, total number. So if you see your question over here, jump to page, this one, you see over here. Some people, kalau kamu tak cuai sikit, kamu akan ambil jumlah X tambah 4. Sebab kamu ingat kamu bandingkan yang merah saja. But remember guys, total number you must take from the same jar. Always look at the same jar. Okay, sorry ya. Kena lihat pada balang yang sama. So if you take X from your balang A, like this, maksudnya total kena consider yang ni je. The total is 3 plus X. Don't take vertically. Kamu kena lihat secara mendata, horizontally, the total. Okay? So can you understand guys? Boleh faham mengapa yang ni total dan yang ni bukan total dia? Tak boleh tengok ikut warna. Tengok total ikut balang dia. See the total according to the type of jar, not the type of color of marble. Okay, so remember to take the correct total always. So next one, you see over here. Times 8 over 8 plus 4. So again, white marble, you refer to the table, jumlah dia 8, total 12. Okay, so this is one set. Tapi kamu kena consider satu lagi kebarangkalian juga. You need to consider another probability. White marble jar A, red marble jar B. Mathematic. Ya, save. Yang ni mathematic biasa. 3 over X plus 3 times 4 over 8 plus 4. Soalan ni macam susah sikit. That's why nampak macam at maths. Tapi bukan. This is mathematic. Okay, so this one, white marble 3. Total X plus 3 again. Lihat pada jar yang sama. Tengok pada balang yang sama. Look at the same jar. Don't compare between colors. Okay. And then 4 over 8 plus 4. You see the red, then look horizontally. Berapa total dia? So you get 4 over 12. So dari sini kamu kena guna knowledge algebra kamu. Use your algebraic knowledge untuk cari nilai X kamu. So macam mana? You can do a bit of factorization over here. Kamu boleh buat pemfaktoran sikit kat sini. You see over here. There, over here. 2 and 12. Sorry. Kat sini. Macam mana saya dapat yang ni? 8x over 12x plus 3. So 12 dengan 8 ni saya boleh permudahkan. Jadi 2/3. Okay. Yang ni juga saya boleh potong. 12 dengan 12. Atas bawah dah hilang dah. Okay, so you will get something like the down one over here. Which is this one. So from here, kamu dapat membentuk satu persamaan linear. You can form a linear equation actually. So you see over here. Saya boleh samakan penyebut pecahan. I can rationalize the denominator over here. Become 3 bracket x plus 3 equals to 13 over 24. So dari sini kamu boleh darab silang saja, cross multiply untuk dapat yang ni. Lepas tu kamu boleh cari nilai x. Susun balik persamaan, kumpulkan semua x kat satu belah, gather all the x term on one side, all the number one side, and then you find the value of x. Okay? So boleh faham soalan ni guys? Can you understand this question? How we solve it? No worries, it's okay. Until you can understand the rest? Okay, boleh. Okay, next one. Sana, jump to page again. This one. Wait. Okay, so part B, kamu boleh lihat kat sini. Yang ni sekarang keadaan berbeza, guys. Not much. First, which one you start? Never mind, we go this one first. We see this part first, okay? So they say probability of at least one red marble is selected. Okay? Satu, what what do we say? Satu guli yang berwarna merah tu. Okay. So at least. Okay guys, at least apa simbol ketaksamaan dia? Can you tell me what is the inequality sign to show at least? This one you all must know. At least, is it this one or this one or this one or this one? Yang mana? Which one? First one, yes, correct. Not this one, guys. Yang ni salah. You have to have the equal also, sama dengan. At least must have sama dengan. Okay, correct. So not
Excuse
just
me,
the
Anna.
greater than. Yeah.
Anna, will this record will record the meeting?
Yeah, recording.
Okay, thanks, Anna.
Yeah, welcome. So now they say 2 marbles selected from 2 different jar. Okay, so now they want at least 1 weight marble. So at least 1 weight marble. Berapa jumlah bilangan guli merah yang kamu ada sekarang, guys? What is the total number of weight marbles you have now? Can you tell me? Based on the question. Total weight marble. I mean the total marbles you can pick lah basically. Berapa jumlah guli yang kamu boleh ambil sekarang? Maximum. Berapa jumlah guys? Berapa boleh ambil? Total. Total number of weight marbles you can take. Berapa jumlah dia? Anyone? Kalau tak tahu, cakap tak tahu, okay? If you don't know, please respond don't know. Okay, so I tell you, you see over here. Over here. 2 marbles, 2 different jar. Means the total of marbles you can take is basically 2 only lah. Because you got 2 jar, kamu akan ambil satu dari jar A, satu dari jar B. Means the total number of weight marbles you can take is basically 2. Maximum, kamu boleh ambil 2 saja. Okay? So you see over here, the question, they say at least 1 weight marble. At least means greater than 1. Sama lebih besar atau sama dengan satu guli merah. Okay, so basically, the probability that we can consider here is, we can take 1 weight, 1 white, plus 1 white, 1 weight. Susunan dia berbeza, guys. You need to consider, although it's the same thing, you need to consider 2 separate probability. Kamu kena ambil kira sebagai 2 kebarangkalian berasingan. Sebab yang ni kamu pilih merah dulu, yang ni kamu pilih putih dulu. Masih kira berbeza. Okay? And then the last probability. Can anyone tell me apa satu lagi kebarangkalian yang akhir tu? At least 1 weight marble. Satu lagi dia apa? 1 weight, 1 white, 1 weight, 1 white, 1 weight. Yes, correct, Kairun. 2 weight, no white. Okay, so yang no white ni tak perlu kira lah. 2 weight saja. Okay, sebab total kamu boleh pilih 2 saja. So 2 weight also can. So now, kamu kena ungkapkan yang ni semua dalam bentuk kebarangkalian. You need to express this in probability form actually. So you see over here, this is what I wrote. Okay, kamu boleh terangkan macam ni juga. Kamu boleh tulis macam ni dalam exam to make the examiner clear of what's your idea. Bagi pemeriksa tu faham apa yang kamu maksudkan kat sini sebelum pergi ke langkah ni. Okay, so 1 weight from the jar A, 1 white from the jar B. Kamu kena ulang alik juga antara balang dia. You need to alternate between the jars. If you take the red marble from jar A, means over here, the white marble you take from jar A. Don't take again red marble jar A. Sebab nilai dia akan sama. Nanti kamu ulang saja. So you need to be different values. You see here, white jar B, red jar B. You have to separate. Okay, opposite to each other, bertentangan. Okay, then this one, you can take 1-1 lah, cause same color, one weight jar A, one weight jar B. Okay, so this one, the values actually bergantung kepada nilai X yang kamu dapat tadi. If you didn't get your X value earlier correct in the first question, yang ni akan salah automatic. Sebab nilai dia bergantung. The value is dependent on each other actually. So this one, you got your X is 5 just now actually. Wait, okay. X actually represent the red marble in jar A, if you saw earlier lah in the question. Red marble in jar A is actually your X, which is equal to 5, we found earlier. Okay, jawapan dia 5. So this is how I get 5 over here. I take 5 red marbles from jar A, total marbles in jar A, jumlah bilangan guli dalam jar A tu 8. That's why 5 over 8 over here. And then 1 white jar B. I have 8 white marbles in jar B. Total marble in jar B is 8 plus 4. This is how I get 8 over 12 over here. Okay, then the second condition, satu lagi keadaan, I take 1 white from jar A. So number of white marble in jar A, bilangan guli putih dalam balang A tu 3. Total bilangan guli dalam jar A tu 8. So this is how I get 3 over 8. And then 1 red jar B, bilangan guli merah dalam jar B 4. Total number of guli in jar B is 4 plus 8, 12. You can refer to the table earlier. So you will get 4 over 12. Okay, then the last condition, situasi yang terakhir. 1 weight jar A, actually you're repeating this one. Kamu boleh lihat kat sini. Wait, I show you the relationship between these two. Do you notice the probability here and here is the same? If you can see here, wait, 5 over 8, 5 over 8. Because 1 weight jar A, 1 weight jar A. Maksudnya nilai dia akan sama. Why garis lurus ya say? Today is only probability. I want to complete probability, that's why. Then next one is 1 weight jar B. Okay. So 1 weight jar B, you can refer over here. 1 weight jar B, 4 over 12. See, can you see the similarity, guys? Boleh nampak persamaan dia tak? The values are repeating actually, but in different condition, dalam situasi yang berbeza. Okay, nilai dia berulang tapi dalam situasi berbeza. Okay, so this is how, if you press this whole thing in your calculator, you will get an answer of 3 over 4. Okay, so this is your final answer. Boleh faham, guys, this whole question? Yang ni sikit susah, but I hope you understand lah. Later, you can go through the solution lah. Kamu boleh tengok sikit-sikit penyelesaian dia. Saya akan hantar dalam group nanti. Okay, so next one. So we go next page. I think it's still the earlier page. Okay, this one, yang ni pula. Have you all seen this kind of diagram, guys? Pernah nampak tak sebelum ni, wajah macam ni? Cuba komen yang ni. Have you all seen this before? Pernah nampak ke? Yes, very good, Shamnat. 3 diagram, yes. Okay. Tak, tak nampak ah. Okay, good chance for you to learn now. Kamu boleh belajar sekarang. Sebenarnya wajah ni, this diagram actually help you a lot to estimate the probability of each event. Wajah ni sangat membantu kamu untuk menjangka kebarangkalian bagi setiap peristiwa yang berlaku. Because you can consider all the possibilities over here. You can see over here. Kamu ada 4 kebarangkalian. That's why you have 4 outcomes over here. Okay, so you can see this clearly. Kalau kamu lukis gambar wajah untuk soalan probability macam ni, lebih senang kamu nak jawab. Chapter 9 Form 4. Okay, so this one easier for you to see lah, basically. So basically sekarang soalan nak kamu selesaikan yang ni dulu. They want you to fill up the probability inside these 3 diagram first. So sekarang kita lihat yang ni dulu. Yang ni senang je guys nak tengok. Very easy to see. So now they want you to fill in this box, this box and these 3 things. Mereka nak kamu isikan. Isi tempat kosong macam tu. So this one, anyone know what's the value of this? Boleh bagi tahu jawapan tak? What is the answer for that box? Yes, correct. 6/10. Okay. So no need to do any calculation, guys. Tak perlu buat apa-apa pengiran. Terus isi je. Just straight away fill in. Why I can straight away fill in? 4/10. One probability. Total probability berapa, guys? Can you remind me again? Yeah. Good luck. I wishing good luck to a lot of people actually right now. Yeah, total probability 1. Okay, 1 minus 4/10. You get 6/10. Okay. Sebab ada dua situasi je. There is two situation happening only. So definitely the total of the probability for two situation will be equal to 1 lah. Jumlah kebarangkalian untuk dua keadaan tu sama dengan 1. Okay, so this one again, can you tell me guys, apply the same concept. Berapa kebarangkalian yang ni? What is the probability for this? Yes, correct Khairun, 6/9. Okay, sebab 1 tolak 3/9, kamu akan dapat 6/9. Sebenarnya boleh permudahkan lagi juga, 2/3. You can write as 2/3 also. Tapi yang ni mereka tak permudahkan. So tak payahlah, just leave it as 6/9. Untuk case ni lah. Tapi bila kamu buat jalan kira, when you show working for probability question solving, that one you must beri dalam jawapan termudah. Sebab yang ni adalah tree diagram. So you tak perlu bagi dalam jawapan termudah. You don't need to give it in the simplest form actually. Just leave it in the what? More complex form. Okay. So sampai oh wait, one more part we didn't complete yet. Outcome. Okay, outcome yang ni senang nak baca aja. Just refer to the flow of the arrow. Outcome tu bergantung pada arrow kamu macam mana, anak panah tu. Wait, Okay, you see over here. K. Outcome KK. Macam tu. Lepas tu yang ni kamu baca. K pergi kepada M. Jadi yang ni K, M. Yang ni pergi M. Lepas tu pergi K. Jadi M, K. Yang ni M. Lepas tu pergi M. M, M. Yang ni paling senang nak score dalam exam. Okay, this is the easiest to score in the exam, this part. What do you do when study was soon, sir? You mean exam was soon? Yasir? Yang lain semua kat sini habis exam ke? Cuba komen. The others here, selain Yasir, dah habis exam ke? You all finish already ya? Oh, next week. I thought ramai minggu ni. Okay, still next week. Oh, maksudnya kelas ni berguna lah bagi kau. Kamu semua left with biology. Oh, admits. Oh, tomorrow admits. Okay, good. Tomorrow admits saya buat sukatan bulat. I will do circular measure to help the form 5 tomorrow. Because I already cover differentiation, integration, permutation, combination, left with circular measure to cover first 4 chapter for admits. I rasa circular measure a lot struggle also, right? So I do circular measure tomorrow lah. So that's my plan for tomorrow. So next one, we see the next question. Don't worry lah, you guys can do it one, I'm sure. Tomorrow also got. Yeah, I think my school, yeah, tomorrow also got, yeah. Because Friday is like moral, I think. Yeah, welcome. So this one, find the probability that both food chosen are nasi kerabu. Okay, yang ni sangat senang because you can refer from the diagram directly. Okay guys, nasi kerabu both. Which one? First, second, third or fourth? Yang mana? 2 nasi kerabu at the same time. Which outcome? Yes, correct. The first one only. So macam mana nak kira kebarangkalian? Very easy. Take this one times this one. Itu jawapan kamu. The tree diagram dah tunjuk kat kamu kebarangkalian. That is why I tell you tree diagram is very easy for you to count probability. Sangat senang nak kira kebarangkalian if you draw out this tree diagram. Walaupun soalan tak tanya kamu, you can actually draw out this to help you understand and picture better what is happening. So that you don't miss out any situasi, you don't didn't consider anything, just avoid that situation. Okay, so if you draw out like this is easier to understand actually. Lebih mudah nak faham. Okay. So if you count this, you will get answer of 12/90, I think. Something like that. So you can see the working over here. Sorry. Struggling with bio. Oh my God. I see people struggle with maths and add maths more actually. That's why. Final answer 2/15. Okay. So ini adalah jawapan kamu untuk yang B1. Okay, so this one quite easy. Second question we look and see. Naman already written here. At least one nasi kerabu. Okay, at least one. Again, datang lagi condition yang ni. Sekurang-kurangnya satu nasi kerabu means greater than or equal to one. Maksudnya kamu boleh ambil kira dua nasi kerabu. One nasi kerabu, one fried noodle. One fried noodle, one nasi kerabu. Yang ni kamu kena kira secara berasingan. Jangan kira sebagai satu je. Because it's different probability. Okay, you can see over here. 4/10 times 6/9 and 6/10 times 4/9. Nilai dia berbeza. It is a different value. So you need to separate it, split it up to two bracket. Pisahkan dia jadi dua kurungan macam tu. So you see the pattern guys, always times in the middle for this chapter. Between bracket, antara kurungan kamu akan letak tambah selalu. This is how the order goes like. Times in the middle plus between bracket. Okay, so kalau kamu kira, you will get 2/3 as your final answer. All the values over here refer to your tree diagram. Tree diagram dah letak semua nilai kebarangkalian bagi kamu dah. So you don't need to find out. Refer for your tree diagram. Okay, so until here can understand guys? Sampai sini boleh faham? Yeah, you are still in Form 4, so you need time a bit. Don't worry. I'm asking for others also. Yeah, I know I concerned for my Form 5 now currently. Okay, okay, good. So this one we complete already, this question. So kita pergi yang bawah pula, yang ni. Yang ni kami main lagi pasal tree diagram ni. Yang ni penting, so that's why I repeat this question. Tapi yang nilai berlainan lah. Okay, so in a mathematics test, ujian matematik, kebarangkalian lulus, okay? Kebarangkalian lulus. Wow. Boleh nampak nilai ni tak guys? Can you see these values? You see probability of people passing maths, tengok sangat rendah tau. Yang ni nilai. Ini adalah situasi yang berlaku sekarang kat Malaysia. This is the situation happening in Malaysia right now. Probability of passing maths is this low. Yeah, reality. You see, lower than 50% tau guys, nilai-nilai ni. Lebih kurang dari separuh. Sangat teruk sebenarnya. Very bad actually. Lower than 50%. Yang paling tinggi pun 40%. 2/5. So, soalan ni agak tepat lah mereka bagi. Mereka tak tipu kat sini. So, they actually tell the reality over here. So, never mind. We look at the question. Wait, Okay, so mereka dah sebenarnya isi semua nilai dah bagi kamu. Now they want you to complete the tree diagram again. So can you tell me guys, what is this value? Based on your understanding, apa nilai yang ni? Yes, very good. Ambil satu tolak yang ni je. Very simple. 1 minus 2/7, 5/7. Okay, ada bracket. Okay, yang ni. This one, what's the value? Can you tell or not? Yang ni tak ada nombor kat atas, but you should know what is the number on top there. 3/4. How you get 3/4? Others yang lain, what's the value? One minus 1/4. No. We cannot consider like that. 1/4, we can only look over here first. We can only see over here and determine the value. This one is another person already. So the probability different already. Not the same. We have to look according to the cabang. Follow the cabang. Okay? 3/5. Wait, Ayo. This one cannot be erased. Okay. Wait, guys. I cannot padang. Oh, can. Yes, correct, Samnat. 3/5. Why is it 3/5? You can see over here. This one. Over here is 2/5. Kebarangkalian yang ni 2/5 juga, guys. You can see over here. Harry lulus 2/5 kebarangkalian dia. Maksudnya kat sini is also talking about Harry lulus. Dia masih cakap tentang kebarangkalian Harry itu lulus dalam exam matematik. Jadi nilai dia sepatutnya sama 2/5 also. Means this one over here will be 1 minus 2/5. Dapat 3/5. Can you understand, guys? As long pasal cakap pasal Harry itu, the kebarangkalian lulus tu kekal 2/5. Tak kira laluan apa mereka ambil. It doesn't matter which part they take actually. As long they talking about the same person, the value still remain the same. Okay, mereka boleh ambil beberapa laluan. Yang ni ke, yang ni, semua yang ni tak kira. Although they take this one, this one, this one, this one, semua nilai kat sini guys. 2/5, 2/5, 2/5. 3/5. Yang ni pun 3/5. This one also 3/5. Okay, boleh faham guys? Can you understand this? As long we talking the same person, probability remains same one. No matter which route we take, whether we go like this, or this way, or this way, everything same. Okay, so next question. Part B1. This one also we read from the tree diagram actually. Wait, okay, never mind. Okay, so we look back at the question. Kita lihat balik soalan dia. Calculate the probability all three fail in the test. Okay, all three fail kat mana guys? Is it the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, or 7 or 8? Which one? Outcome yang keberapa? This one is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yang mana untuk menggambarkan soalan tu? All the three fail, which one? Yes, satu saja. Number 8. You can see over here. Yang ni gagal, gagal, gagal. Okay, satu laluan je. So, kamu kena kira kebarangkalian yang ni. So, yang ni kamu dah dapat 3/7. This one guys, if you understand, what is the probability over here? Apa kebarangkalian dia? Kalau kamu faham, kamu boleh isikan kebarangkalian tu. What is the value over there? Bukan kat bawah ni Khairun. Saya tanya yang atas ni dulu. Yang lulus punya, bukan gagal. Yes, correct. 1/4. Jadi yang gagal tu jawapan kamu lah. 3/4. Okay. So this one over here, another one. Here you get what value? 3/5, right? Jadi kat bawah ni juga 3/5. As long gagal is 3/5 based on this one here. 1 minus 2/5. Okay. So your answer, jawapan kamu akan jadi macam ini. Okay, I think I draw here better. Saya lukis ni lebih baik. So kamu hanya perlu darab yang ni dengan yang ni and plus this and times this one. So you'll get your final answer 9/28. Ini jawapan akhir kamu. Okay. So next one, probability anyone fail the test. Okay, so fail the test ni, yang ni sedikit a bit controversial also. We see on top here. The question tak begitu clear sangat. Tengok kat sini guys. In English they write anyone fail the test. Tapi lihat yang bahasa Melayu, salah seorang gagal. Okay, so kamu kena tengok yang BM. Don't refer to the English. English tu salah, translation wrong. Mereka nak salah seorang, maksudnya satu orang je. Tapi English they write anyone. Anyone can be more than one actually. So yang ni sedikit confusing lah. The language dia tak bagus. Okay. So just refer BM. Salah seorang gagal. Maksud dia, you can see down here. Kamu kena consider gagal tu satu je. Tak boleh lebih dari satu gagal dalam 3 orang murid tu. In the 3 people, there cannot be more than 1 person fails. You see? LLG, LGL, LGL. Okay. So satu kali saja boleh gagal. So if you refer to your tree diagram, you can actually obtain all these probabilities over here. Kamu boleh lihat kat sini. Okay, I try to explain Okay, so basically kita akan lihat kat sini je. LLG, LLG, LGL, and GLL. Satu G saja dibenarkan, only one gagal. Okay, so ada 3 kebarangkalian je, only 3 possibilities over here. So you can actually read the tree diagram. 2/7 darab dengan 1/4 darab dengan 3/5. Ini kamu dapat yang pertama. Lepas tu tambah 2/7 darab dengan 3/4 darab dengan 2/5. You get the second one. And then the third one, 5/7 darab dengan 1/4 darab dengan 2/5. You get the third one. Okay guys, can you understand the flow of the chart? Ini adalah aliran dia. This is the flow. Okay, kamu kena label setiap satu kebarangkalian dia macam mana. Then only you will understand. Okay, so it's like this. So jawapan kamu akan dapat 1/5, 1/5 only. Okay, so until here semua okay? Everyone can understand up till here? Cuba komen. Okay, good. So next one, jump to page 14. Okay, we are already coming to an end. Second last already. Soalan kedua terakhir dah. So this one, you have 2 boxes, box X and box Y. 2 kotak saja. So we have to complete the table. Okay, yang ni no need to think so much. Kamu ikut je urutan. Just follow the order. I rasa semua boleh complete this table. This one like primary school only, sekolah rendah. 2A, 3A, 4A, macam tu. 1B. And then what else? 3B. Okay, guys, can you all do this? Semua boleh buat yang ni? I think you all can do this, right? Yang ni tak susah pun. Just complete the table only. Okay. So this one is just basically matching the row with the column only. Kamu padankan yang baris dan lajur tu je. So nothing much. Okay, so this one you should be able to score all the marks over here. So next one for part B1. B1 ni berdasarkan apa yang kamu senaraikan kat sini sebenarnya. So you can actually see over here. Over here is more clear. Okay, so this is the table yang kamu akan isi. This is what you will get. Okay, something like this. So first question, they want an event where the cut less than 4. Okay guys, if you see this kind of sign, or and, can you tell me? Atau dan? Yang ni simbol untuk atau or dan? Are you sure? Of course. This sign, like this. Or and. Yes, correct. And, okay? Don't get confused. This one is or. Okay, like this. So this one is n. Okay, kalau kamu belajar bab set, kamu akan faham. This is called intercept. Persilangan means is n. Okay, we consider everything inside. The common points, this is persilangan. This one is or. We consider everything. Kita ambil kira semua case dia. Okay, so now since they say it's n, right? Okay guys, if you see it's n, kebarangkalian dia, nilai dia tu, you expect it to be high or low? Can you tell me? Kalau guna n, will the final answer tu jawapan dia, kebarangkalian dia tinggi atau rendah? Yes, very good Khairun, low. Okay, so 2/5 is considered low lah, 0.4, lebih kecil dari 0.5, means less than half of the chance. So, kurang daripada separuh kebarangkalian dia. Okay, so anything less than 0.5 you can actually assume it as low. 0.5 and above you can assume as high chance of occurring. Okay, 0.5 midpoint, macam titik tengah bagi kebarangkalian tu. Okay, so this one, okay, so basically you refer your table again over here. So you want less than 4. Okay, less than 4, kamu buat satu garis kat sini. Kamu boleh consider semua yang ni. oh wait, sorry, n. Tak boleh consider semua. So n is less than 4 and consonant. So kamu kena tengok dua-dua sekali. Then only it's satisfied. So A ni gone lah. A is vowel. So you cannot consider this one. Only B and C. So yang ni boleh, yang ni boleh, yang ni boleh. This one can, this one can. This one also can. Okay. So you already have 6 over here. So you see, jawapan dia 6. Okay. Ada 6 ke barang kalian je. Only 6. So total 2 over 5. Total here you have 15. Because 3 here, 5 here. 5 times 3, total 15. Okay. Jadi 6 over 15, 2 over 5 is your final answer. Boleh faham guys? Can you understand how I get 2 over 5? Sebab yang 4 dan 5 ni kamu tak boleh tengok dah. Because the question 1 less than 4. N. Means you have to consider both at the same time. Kamu kena ambil kira dua-dua keadaan ni sekali. Terus macam tu. Jadi kamu tak perlu lihat dah yang ni. 4 dan lebih. So kamu lihat yang ni je. And this one is not a consonant. So kamu boleh abaikan yang tu pun. So tinggal B dan C saja. Dan ada 6 kat sini. Total 6. So this is how you get 6 over 15. Okay. So part B2. B2 ni is they want about or. Okay, or guys. Symbol macam mana? Train again. A or B. If they ask or, apa jawapan kamu? Macam mana simbol dia? Yes, very good, of course. A, got it right this time already. Okay, answer A. This one is for N, always remember. Okay, you can see also guys, N has this shape, right? You see the shape over here? This is like N, right? So it's simple tips for you to remember. A and D has the letter N. So this one also has N. So that is why it is paired with each other. Or don't have letter N. So this is why the or symbol is like this. Okay, simple tips lah untuk kamu nak ingat. N got the letter N, so you choose this one. Okay, so other than that, this one now we want or. Okay, or guys, or akan bagi ke barang kalian lebih tinggi atau lebih rendah. Will all give you a higher or lower probability now? Yes, very good, Kairun. Or because higher, because we consider more probability. Kita ambil kira lebih banyak keadaan sekarang. So if you see the table over here, so you can see the table over here, which is over here you can see the values that are actually considered over here. So you can dapatkan lah bila macam mana set nombor tu akan jadi. How will the number set actually come from? So if you see on the next slide, kat slide ni, over here, ayo, gone already this one. Saya kena padam yang ni. Wait, so this one, the question actually want you to find, wait, I need to see the question again. Greater than 3 or vowel, okay. So anything greater than 3 and a vowel. Okay, we see guys, greater than 3. Can be or a vowel also. So vowel kamu boleh consider semua yang ni, kat A. Okay, because A with anything is a vowel. So all these vowel greater than 3. Kamu cuba lihat. Greater than 3 or vowel. This one can, greater than 3. Wait. This one tak boleh. Okay guys, 4A, 5A. Mengapa saya kata tak boleh yang ni? Can you explain to me? 4A, 5A. Why these two cannot be considered greater than 3 or a vowel? Sebab yang ni is greater than 3. Both of these also vowel. But why I say salah? Can anyone explain to me? Siapa ada penjelasan kat sini? Just try, cuba je. Why these two cannot be considered greater than 3 or A? Mengapa tak boleh lebih atau lebih daripada 3 atau A? Anyone don't know can tell also. Kalau kamu tak tahu mengapa dia, you can tell also don't know. Just type don't know in the comment. I'll explain to you. The question mentioned or not and. Yes, correct. You got the point. The question mentioned or. This one is n. So soalan nak lebih besar dari 3 atau bukan dan atau vowel. Okay? Atau huruf vokal. Mereka tak kata n. So this is why yang ni adalah n. This is greater than 3 and a vowel. But this one now question 1 or bukan n. So Khairun, this is the explanation lah basically. Yang ni sepatutnya soalan perlu tanya n bukan or. So you need to see the question. Now they want or. So kedua-dua ni memuaskan keadaan untuk n but not or. Okay, so this is why I say these two cannot. This one can because greater than 3, but this one is not a vowel. This one greater than 3, not a vowel. So total you have 4 plus 5, plus 3, you have 7 total. Okay, jumlah kamu adalah 7 per 15. Saya rasa itu jawapan dia. Wait, let me see. 7 over, yeah. Okay, this is your answer. 7 over 15. Okay, so kamu boleh lihat 1A, 2A, 3A because vowel. Yang ni semua lebih kecil dari 3. So this one, first, second condition satisfied over here. One card is a vowel. Satu card dia adalah huruf vokal. The next 3 here, greater than. Okay, and this one is not a vowel. So kamu dah satisfy satu dah. It's a card greater than 3, but not a vowel. Yang ni tak satisfy, tapi yang ni satisfy. And then this one tengah-tengah 4B. 4B jugalah. 4B is greater than 3 but not a vowel. Okay. So can you understand macam mana dapat yang ni? You all get it? How you get 7 over 15? Okay, good. So last question of the day. Soalan terakhir kamu. Is it the terakhir? Ya, terakhir. Okay, so this one. Okay, yang ni pun agak sama, quite similar to just now. Again, kamu kena list all the possible outcomes. Okay guys, kalau kamu nampak terus, just tell me mental arithmetic. What is the total possibility you have here? Kalau kamu lihat secara terus. Berapa jumlah gabungan yang kamu akan dapat kat sini? How many possible combinations you can have over here? Very good, 12. 4, 3 times 12. Because each one will go 3 times from x to y. N can go to 4, 5 or y. E can go to 4, 5, y. X can go to 4, 5, y. And T also can go to 4, 5, y. So you see over here, you try to count and see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12. Okay, so this is why 12 is the answer. So yang ni, the blank one, you just fill in from the order lah. You see over here and fill in. This one shouldn't be a problem. You just see carefully and fill in only. So the B1 and B2 is what I'm more interested in. Bila kamu consider apa. Okay, so you can see the table again here. This one no table lah, but you can see my working over here. This one. Okay, this is the total we have over here. And guys, just want to ask, next week mathematics kamu nak sambung bab ni ke? Do you all want to continue this chapter or different chapter? Just want your opinion. Kamu semua masih nak ke bab ni? You all still want this? You can say anything you like. Can we do modern maths? This is modern maths, of course. What we doing? You think we're doing ad maths now? We are doing modern maths now. Kalau saya belum masuk bab ni. Oh, okay. So any suggestion? Kamu boleh bagi cadangan nak bab mana next week for mathematics? Others kalau nak bab ni cakap ya. Transformation from 5. Okay. Oh, transformation from 5. Oh, yang tu saya kena lukis banyak. This one I have to draw a lot. This one, okay. Can lah, transformation from 5. Okay, so, oh, this not admaths. No. Admaths will be more complex than this, don't worry. Admaths ni lebih susah dari yang ni. This one is modern maths. Maths probability only form 5 afterwards, not in form 4. You won't learn probability in what? Maths, maths form 4. Only maths form 5 is probability. So I want to be like you. Why everyone say this? I'll try to help you all come like me lah. I try my best. Okay, so come B1. Card is a consonant and card with even number. Okay, so got two condition. This sign guys, N or O again. Kalau nampak simbol macam ni, are we taking N or O? Yes, correct, N. Okay, remember you can see the letter N over here, means this is N. Okay, so now you look back here. Card consonant. Okay, consonant we cannot consider the E already. E ni terus kita boleh padam. Tak mau dah. So this one also E don't want. And then with even number. So consonant with even number. 5 boleh padam. 5 boleh padam. Y pun boleh padam. XY pun boleh padam. So remainder we basically have N4, X4, and T4. 3. Okay, so you will get 3 over 12. Tadi kamu bagi tahu jumlah 12 kan? So over 12. So 1 over 4 is your answer. Okay, so this is how we check and see lah. So for part B, even where card is vowel with odd number. Okay, this one is O. Yang ni adalah O, I think. So vowel and odd number. So we try to see again on top here with vowel with odd number. So basically vowel we can take E, but saya nak tanya guys, can we take this one for condition O? Wait which one Can we take this one? Adakah kita boleh ambil yang ni? Yes or no? Can we take this for this question? Can, very good. Okay, because O. Kalau 4 ni tak satisfy, tapi the E satisfy because vowel dah satisfy. Or you only need to satisfy one condition guys. Kamu kena satisfy satu je. Jangan satisfy dua-dua. If you satisfy 2, itu bukan probability kamu. You cannot include that. Kena memuaskan satu daripada 2 je. Only satisfy 1 out of 2 conditions. But if N, you have to satisfy 2 out of 2 condition. 2 per 2. 1 per 2 tak boleh. Okay. So remember, I read a short note over here. And you need to satisfy 2 over 2. Or you just need to satisfy 1 over 2. Okay. So ingat yang ni. Yang ni penting. Okay. So you can see over here. They want, wait, let me see. Vowel with odd number. So odd number, we can take 5, 1, 2. Some more got what? T5. Do we have T5? Yeah, T5. Vowel with odd number. Odd number we already consider. And then now we consider the vowel. Okay, vowel. Okay. So vowel, we look over here. Vowel can see the E, which is the first one and the last one over here. E over here. And then you can consider, E is vowel, can also lah. Yang tu pun boleh. E and then what else? E4, EY, E4 pun. Where is E4? E4 is this one. Okay, you will get 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you get 5 over here. So that's why your answer is 5 over 12. Okay, can you understand guys? Boleh faham sampai sini? We finish already for today. Kita dah habis. We did 6 questions today guys. Kita buat 6 soalan dari 6 negeri berbeza. So until here, everyone okay? Cuba komen. Boleh faham? How do you all feel today? Better after doing this topic? Better, Okay, so I share a quote for you all as an ending. Exams and grades are temporary, but education is permanent. What knowledge I want to bring you all to bring by this quote, guys? Kadang-kadang, guys, knowledge is more important actually than your grades. Sometimes, knowledge. Knowledge can bring you long way in life. Got many example kamu boleh lihat dalam dunia ni. Knowledge. Knowledge is power. There is one quote, right? Ilmu tu adalah kuasa kamu. Bukan exam and grade kamu. Because grade only temporary. Tak berkekalan pun sampai mati. Bila kamu dewasa, kamu tengok balik tak grades kamu? I ask you all a question. Will you see back your grades when you are older? You won't see this. But you will see your knowledge, education. Okay, from education kamu dapat ilmu tu. Ilmu tu sangat penting. Okay, so this is one message I want to give you all. Jangan study sebab exam dan SPM saja. Study untuk hidup kamu. Okay, so follow your passion, study for your life knowledge. Okay, so anyone want to refer my channel? Can refer over here. Anyone new here? I don't know lah. Can subscribe to my channel also if you want videos on maths and maths. Okay, so boleh share lah sikit-sikit kat kawan-kawan kamu if you need help also in maths and maths. Anyone need help? Okay, so can give feedback, guys. How the class today? Can you give me some response to everyone here? Already subscribe. Good. Share with your friends also, of course. Stop. Okay. Really good. Yeah. Oh yeah, next week you all want, okay, transformation, right? So this one no more, Dila.